everyone, this is your 10th lesson in Grade 4 Social Science. Today's chapter is Our Government. Before we start our today's topic, shall we learn your new words? New words. President. A person who has the highest political position in a country. President. A person who has the highest political position in a country. Chairperson. Highest officer of an organized group. Chairperson. Highest officer of an organized group. Governor. An official appointed to govern a town or region. Governor. An official appointed to govern a town or region. Chief Minister. An elected head of government of a state. Chief Minister. An elected head of government of a state. Panchayat. Governing body of a village. Panchayat. Governing body of a village. Sarpanch. Head of the Panchayat. Sarpanch. Head of the Panchayat. Now we are going to see our today's topic is Our helpers in school. In our school, we have teachers who work hard to teach us. They help us to become great citizens. The principal and the headmistress look after our school. We have ayahs who take care of the small children studying in our school. The peons help by doing small jobs for our teachers, headmistress, and our principal. The sweepers clean our school. We also have a nurse who looks after us if we are not well or if we are hurt. You meet all these people every day in school. But there are many other people in your school whom you do not meet. There are many other people who help us in our school. We do not notice them because most of the time we do not see them doing anything directly for us. Do you have fans and lights in your classrooms? Who has fixed them there? Who looks after them? How are they repaired? There is an electrician who does all the electrical work for your school. Have you ever thought about the gods who are guarding your school day and night in the cold, heat, and rain? Our parents solve our problems at home and provide us with basic facilities like food, water, clothing, and education. Similarly, a community needs some people to take care of its basic needs and solve its problems. This is John from another country called the United States of America. He wants to know who takes care of our needs outside the school, in our village, city, and our country. Our government. Just like we have people to look after our school, we have different people to look after our village, city, state, and country. These people together form a government. The government governs the country and takes care of the basic needs of the people. Education is very important for the development of the country. Some poor children in our country do not attend school regularly. To improve the attendance in schools and educate more children, the government has implemented a system of free midday meal in all the government schools till class 8. Rice, dal, vegetables, and fruits are served to the children during school lunchtime. You have already learned that our country is divided into 28 states, 8 union territories, and 1 national capital territory. Each state is divided into cities and villages. Central government. India is a large country. Hence, it needs to be governed in a proper and efficient way. We have the central government and the state government to govern our country. The central government looks after the whole country. The President and the Prime Minister are the heads of the central government. The President. The President is the head of the country. He or she is the first citizen of our country. The President is the supreme commander of the armed forces, the army, the navy, and the air forces. He or she rules the country in case of an emergency. The Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the head of the central government. The people of the country elect him or her. The Prime Minister looks after all the important affairs of our country and he or she has the maximum powers with him or her. There is also a group of people to help the Prime Minister to run the country. They are called the Cabinet Ministers. State Government. The state government looks after the functioning of the state. The state government is helped by the municipal corporation in cities, municipal committee in towns, and panchayats in villages for the successful governance of a state. The Chief Minister. The state government has to look after the people of the whole state. Therefore, it employs many people to help it perform its functions. Each state government is headed by a Chief Minister. The people elect the members of the state government. Each state has a governor who is appointed by the President of the country. The state and the central governments look after the health, education, agriculture, irrigation, law and order, forestry, and other matters of the state and the country. Village Panchayat. Let us now understand who fulfills our needs in the villages. Villages also have to be looked after by some people. No single person can look after the entire village. Therefore, there is a group of people to look after the welfare of the villages. This group is called a Panchayat. The Panchayat consists of 5 members called the Panchas. The leaders of the village Panchayat is a Sarpanch, who is chosen by the adult villagers. The Panchayat is the government of the village. Besides providing services to the village and looking after the villagers, there are many other things that a Panchayat does. Municipal Committee. Towns have more people living in them than the villages. Therefore, a bigger group of people is needed to take care of them. The group that takes care of the people living in the towns is called the Municipal Committee. People living in towns elect the members of the Municipal Committee. The head of the Municipal Committee is called the Chairperson. A Municipal Committee is responsible for providing public services in its areas and looking after the welfare of its town. Municipal Corporation. Cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai are very big. Therefore, they have a bigger group to take care of the people living there. This group is called a Municipal Corporation. The head of the Municipal Corporation is called the Mayor. The members of the Municipal Corporations are called Councillors. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you an activity. Refer your concept book in the page number of 132 and answer the following questions. Do and document 2. Write the description of various members of the government on a paper and make slips. Get into groups of 4. One member of each group will get to pick a slip. The member has to read the clue and the rest of the members will guess the destination of the person. Answer the following questions. Your first question is destination of the person. Your second question is role of the person in the government. Your third question is destinations of the people taken by other groups. I hope that you enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.